Imagine waking up tomorrow in a home that was 3D printed walls, insulation, even the structure built in days, not months. 3D printed homes aren't science fiction. They're happening now and changing construction forever. So how exactly do we 3D print a house? Unlike your desktop printer, concrete 3D printers extrude special cement layer by layer to build walls directly from a digital model. These machines are massive crane-sized robots that work around the clock, rain or shine. They reduce waste, lower labor costs, and drastically cut build times. A typical small home can be printed in just 24 to 48 hours. After the walls are printed, traditional builders install windows, doors, plumbing, and roofing. The result? A strong, affordable, and customizable home. And here's the kicker: some homes are printed for as little as $10,000. That's why developing countries and nonprofits are jumping on board. Fast, cheap housing can help solve the global housing crisis. But what about durability? Concrete 3D printed homes are surprisingly tough, engineered to handle extreme weather, earthquakes, and even hurricanes. Still, critics worry about building codes and the unproven long-term reliability of printed concrete. And printers can't yet do everything like electrical work or finishing interiors. But with AI and robotics evolving, full automation isn't far off. What's next? Multi-story buildings, entire neighborhoods, and maybe even 3D printed cities? From Texas to the Way, developers are already investing millions. Some say 3D printing is the biggest leap in construction since the invention of concrete. And in the near future, you might be living in a house that wasn't built, but printed. Would you live in a 3D printed home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more on the future of automation.